Wish you a very lovely good morning, students. Today we will start chapter 16 in English first. And chapter 16 is a poem, and this poem name is King Porus. Okay, and this poem composed by Michael Madhusudan Dutt. Madhusudan Dutt was born on 25th January 1824. He was a popular 19th century Bengali poet and dramatist. He is widely considered to be one of the greatest poets in Bengali literature and the father of the Bengali sonnet. Okay, sonnet means 14 lines poem. Okay, and this poem, like to a lion chant, that though faint bleeding stands in pride, with eyes where unsubdued, yet flashed the fire looks that defied. King Porus boldly went where meets the gay and glittering crowd, sat God like Alexander, while round earth's mightiest monarch bode. King Porus was no slave. He stooped not, bent not there his knee, but stood as stands an oak. In Himalaya majesty, how should I treat thee? Asked the mighty king of Macedon. Even as a king replied, in royal pride ends haughty son, the conqueror pleads, the conqueror pleased him forth released. Thus India's crown was lost and won. Okay. And this poem written in 1843. Okay, Michael Madhusudan Dutt was born 25th January 1824, and this poem written by 1843. This poem describes the historical incident when Alexander attacked King Porus. Okay, the scenes of battlefield and patriotism of King Porus. Okay, the poem King Porus, a legend of old, describes the historical incident when Alexander the Macedonian, okay, Alexander the Macedonians Macedonian king attacked King Porus. The scene of battlefield and the image of milk white elephant, king's jeweled regal diadem, and how to Ethonium conqueror. Okay, how to Ethonium conqueror saw him with gaping wounds and ordered his and men to desist, and how Porus walked up to him not a slave, okay, him not a slave, okay, but stood like an oak in Himalaya majesty, okay, but stood like an oak in Himalaya majesty. The scenes of battlefield and when the mighty king of Macedon asked how he should be treated. Okay, how he should be treated, he replied. Okay, whose King Porus replied in royal pride as a king. Okay, royal pride. Okay, he replied in royal pride as a king. The poet describes the king as a whole heart and bled for freedom. Okay, in this poem, the poet describes the king as a whole heart that bled for freedom, with the heroic glow as its haughty sun. Okay, and its its haughty son. The poem glorifies King Porus as a hero of Indian past, and he sees B sees all to tower above others' patriotism and uphold the glory of India. And perception of this poem is the poet has narrated a historical incident in which King Porus was defeated and brought in chains before the victor Alexander of Macedon. However, he remained bold and did not bow before the victor. When he was asked how he should be treated, he said that, like a king, the conqueror was pleased at this and returned his kingdom. Okay, means this poem describes the historical incident, all historical incident when Alexander attacked King Porus. The King Porus, the scene of battlefield and patriotism of King Porus. The poem glorifies King Porus as a hero of Indian past and implores all to uphold this glorious tradition of patriotism.